In the world of embroidery, technology has always been a determinant of success and efficiency. It is Brother Industries, a Japanese multinational company, that has redefined and revolutionized the embroidery industry with their innovative software solutions. The history of this transformative period dates back to 1988, when Brother took its first steps into the embroidery sector. Despite being newcomers at the time, the impact they were to make would soon become a case study in corporate innovation and foresight. It all began with Brother Industries recognizing a market need when numerous computerized embroidery companies reached out for assistance. These firms were looking for reliable suppliers that could provide superior sewing heads to facilitate their production processes. Brother Industries quickly identified this as an opportunity to not only step in as a supplier, but also to leverage their technological expertise to bring about a much-needed evolution in the industry. The request from these companies prompted a collaboration with Pulse Microsystems, a company known for specializing in embroidery software development. This partnership birthed the PG-1 software product, a masterpiece of innovation tailored specifically for Brother's embroidery machines. Unlike anything before it, PG-1 was a testament to the seamless integration of software and embroidery hardware. It facilitated a symbiotic relationship where the machines and software communicated with unprecedented efficiency. Rather than the traditional method where software had to push designs onto machines, PG-1 allowed machines to autonomously pull design data, thus streamlining the entire embroidery process. This unique approach was revolutionary and became a gold standard within the industry. It marked the beginning of Brother's journey towards becoming an influential figure in the embroidery world. By fundamentally changing how embroidery software interacted with machinery, Brother Industries garnered widespread acclaim and quickly saw their products being widely adopted by businesses far and wide. Their innovative leap did not go unnoticed. As Brother prospered and expanded its influence in the industry, it became clear that they had formulated a competitive edge that was not easy to replicate. Companies who once dominated the sector, such as the noteworthy embroidery machine manufacturer Singer, found themselves struggling to keep pace. Singer, a household name in the sewing and embroidery space for many years, failed to adapt rapidly to the new technological paradigm set by Brother Industries. This failure to innovate and upgrade systems in line with emerging market trends led to a decline in Singer's market share. They were gradually ousted from their position of strength in the industry, a casualty of technological stagnation. At the same time, other seismic changes were afoot in the embroidery industry, which further underscored the importance of innovation and adaptability. In 1989, the well-established embroidery machine manufacturer Melco found itself under new ownership when it was acquired by Sauer, another powerhouse in the industry. Melco had a long-standing reputation and significant market presence, making it an attractive acquisition target for Sauer. The consolidation of these two entities had major ramifications for the sector. It fortified Sauer's standing and brought a broader spectrum of technology and market control under their dominion. Looking at the embroidery industry landscape in the late 1980s and early 1990s, it becomes clear that these were formative years marked by significant shifts and developments. At the heart of this was Brother Industries' insurgence into the embroidery space, a move that reverberated across the industry. Their commitment to software development and technological innovation served to disrupt the status quo, compelling other manufacturers to either evolve or risk obsolescence. The advancements championed by Brother Industries set them apart and established a framework for their continued leadership in the industry. Even now, with the passage of time, the influence of Brother Industries in the embroidery sector remains profound. Their legacy of pushing boundaries and integrating software with machinery continues to inspire new generations of technology within the industry. While competitors like Singer have seen their hold on the market wane in the face of innovation, companies like Sauer have embraced change through strategic acquisitions like that of Melco, thus ensuring their relevance in an ever-evolving market landscape. The success of Brother Industries is a case study in the importance of innovation and adaptation in a technology-driven world. Their entry into the embroidery industry yielded a paradigm shift that has had long-lasting effects on how embroidery is carried out. From small-scale production to large industrial setups, the principles of efficiency, quality, and technological synergy espoused by Brothers' innovative software continue to shape the development of the industry. Their actions underscore the transformative power of embracing technological change, not just for individual enterprises, but for entire industries. Taking a broader view, the journey of Brother Industries in the embroidery sector vividly illustrates the ripple effects that one company's innovation can have on the competitive dynamics of an industry. It provides a valuable lesson in the competitiveness of manufacturing and the critical role of foresight in securing a dominant position in the marketplace. The industry continues to evolve, with new technologies emerging and existing ones being refined, but the revolutionary step taken by Brother Industries in the late 1980s remains a touchstone for contemporary embroidery technology. It is a narrative of change, challenge, and ultimately enduring triumph. In conclusion, Brother Industries' inventive foray into the embroidery industry back in 1988 was a catalyst for a profound transformation of the industry's technology. Their groundbreaking software development not only disrupted the status quo, but also provided them with a competitive edge that has stood the test of time. The failure of Singer to adapt and the strategic acquisition of Melco by Sauer highlight the varying responses to technological advancement in the industry. Today, the innovative spirit of Brother Industries continues to influence and drive the embroidery industry forward, affirming the company's significant contribution to the development of modern embroidery practices. As industries worldwide continue to grapple with the pace of technological change, the embroidery industry serves as a shining example of how embracing innovation can lead to lasting success and industry leadership. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.